Question 14. The population of butterflies in a park is 4,200. Assume that the population of the butterflies increases by 12% each day. Show that after 20 days, the population would be greater than 40,000. Okay, so we've got 4,200 butterflies, and they tell us that the population increases by 12% every day. So when the population increases by 12%, we've still got 100% of our population, and then it's increasing by 12%. So we've got 100% plus 12%. That is 112%. And as a decimal, that's 1.12. So what we're going to do is multiply our original population by our decimal, 1.12, to see how much it increases. However, if we just multiply it once like that, that's how much it increases after 1 day. We want to show after 20 days, so we need to multiply this by the power of 20. So let's put that in our calculator. We've got 4,200 times 1.12 to the power of 20. Let's see what that gives us. That gives us 40,514. 40,514 butterflies. So we've shown that after 20 days, the population of the butterflies would be greater than 40,000. Part B. In fact, the population increases by 13% every day for 19 days, then decreases by 8% for 1 day. After 20 days, is the actual population greater than 40,000? So what we're going to do is the exact same, but we've got to do two calculations now. So again, we've got original population of butterflies, 4,200, increases by 13% for 19 days. So we've got 100% plus our 13%. That's going to give us 113%, which as a decimal is 1.13. So 4,200 times 1.13. And this time that only occurs for 19 days. So let's go back, put that in our calculator. 4,200 times 1.13 to the power of 19. What does that give us? 42,829. 42,829. Then the population decreases by 8% for 1 day. So now we're decreasing. We've got 100% of our population, but it's decreased by 8%. So that is, now we've only got 92% of our original population, and as a decimal, that is 0.92. So what we've got is 42,829. We multiply that by 0.92, and that's only for 1 day, so it's to the power of 1, but since it's to the power of 1, you don't need to include that. So we've got 42,829 times 0.92. That's 39,402. 39,402. After 20 days, is the actual population greater than 40,000? No, it's not.